front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. And then click on Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit delete next to edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!